Hey crafters, it's Dollcee here with a quick tip on how to save those gorgeous reverse cuts on your Cricut projects. After peeling away your design, you're left with these beautiful reverse cuts. Don't toss them just yet. First, cut your transfer sheet exact to the size of your reverse cuts you want to save. Now peel it off the backing very carefully. Place the transfer sheet over your cuts and burnish it well with a small scraper tool. Make sure to go over every detail, and don't worry, it only scratches the transfer sheet, leaving your cardstock or your material unharmed. Now here's the trick. Peel it off the mat very carefully. Try reversing the mat, curling it slightly, and then gently remove the transfer sheet off it. Once done, place the transfer sheet with the design back on its backing and it's ready to use for your next project. That's it. Very easy. You can use glue or any adhesive to place it on a card front or maybe a book cover or maybe another banner that you're making. Anything that you're crafting at the moment. So there we have it, guys. Give it a try and tag me on my Instagram, dollcee. When you do it, happy crafting, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.